Hey Jane, thank you for the question. So the question is, why don't I date someone closer to my age, right? Currently, I'm not dating. Let's make that clear. But if I were, it would be someone younger than me. Um, my ex-wife, she was a couple of years older than me. But let's get to the root of it. The Only in the last 100 years, people have been indoctrinated with feminism, which at that point people started having an issue with age gap. Thousands of years prior, people had no issues with age gap. So think about it that way. And, anyone who I have dated since my ex wife has been younger. And to be honest, the relationships were 100 times better. We got along a lot better and not as many issues. So for me, that's why I date someone younger than me. Generally, women that are younger don't have children, especially between 19 and 30. I don't date single moms, and they don't have as much baggage as someone who has had a lot of boyfriends or whatnot. Less men who have mistreated them or things like that. So the older the woman gets, the more experience, and the more experience, generally, the more bad interactions that they have. So yeah, that's my main reason for dating a woman younger than me. Less bad experiences that they're bringing into the relationship, and we get along a lot better. So thank you for the question. Don't be shy to ask more, um, and have a great day. Thank you guys for watching.